Welcome. Today we're covering why your business model won't survive AI. Founder wake-up call. Half of the businesses you see today won't exist in 5 years. Not because they ran out of money, because they ran out of relevance. In this video, I'm breaking down the uncomfortable truth that most founders in Southeast Asia are still ignoring. AI isn't coming for your business. It's already here, quietly eating your margins, outpacing your team, and making your competitive advantage obsolete. I've spent years working with entrepreneurs across Myanmar and the broader Asian market, and I keep seeing the same pattern. Founders who built great businesses in 2018 or 2020 are running the exact same playbook in 2025, while AI-native competitors are spinning up in weeks what took them years to build. This isn't fear-mongering. This is pattern recognition. In this video, you'll learn why your human touch advantage is shrinking faster than you think. If you found this valuable, subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss our weekly AI breakdowns. See you next week.